Hi, I'm Meredith Laverty, Liberal Councillor for D Ward and Chair of the Flood Risk Management Committee. I'm down here at Burnum Sanctuary this morning where local volunteers, Sutherland Shire Council staff, together with the team from Australian Stormwater Company, Atlan Stormwater, have installed a floating wetland. This floating wetland, when fully established, will perform water pollution control, reducing excess nutrients from removing sediment from the water, and overall will improve water quality. The plants in the pod will grow from here and the root system will form underneath, forming a filtration system. It's quite remarkable technology, built all in Australia. We should expect within the next 3 months the plants will be growing and the roots will be growing down below and doing their job. So come down here to Burnum and check it out. It's an amazing installation and I look forward to seeing how it goes here at Burnum and where else we can place these in other wetlands around the Sutherland Shire.